Welcome back. In this class, we will solve a few problems asked in IIT GATE, IIT JAM based on isothermal process, based on isothermal thermodynamic process. For example, calculate the free energy change for 1 mole of an ideal gas when compressed isothermally from 1 atmosphere to 2 atmosphere. That is minus RT. The 4 options are given. You need to write the answer. Okay. Before we solve these problems, I request all of you to go to listen and follow the lectures of theory fundamentals, so that you can, once you understand the concept, then only you can apply to solve the problems. Basically, most of the JEE, NEET, GATE or say CSIR, JAM questions are based on especially on fundamental concepts. Once you know the fundamental concepts, you can apply it to answer. For example, in this case, delta G they have asked. This is an isothermal compression, reversible. For example, reversible compression process. Okay. Therefore, the delta G value they have asked. According to the thermodynamics, delta G is equal to delta H minus D delta S. Okay, you know that. Now, delta H for this is isothermal process. This is isothermal process. Therefore, in the previous class we have shown that delta H equal to 0. Similarly, delta E also 0 and also delta T equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, if you apply here, what you will get? Delta G equal to 0 minus P delta S. Okay. Now, delta S according to second law of thermodynamics, Q reversible for reversible isothermal process, Q reversible divided by T. Okay. So what is this T? Therefore, if you substitute T delta S equal to into T, therefore T cancel. Therefore, this expression will be delta G is equal to T delta S equal to Q reversible. Okay. Now you know from delta E, first law of thermodynamics, Q minus W. Okay, Q minus W. Therefore, delta E, you know that delta E is equal to 0. Therefore, Q is equal to W. Okay. Now delta G is equal to minus W. That is already this is a basic expression. Maximum work done. Okay, maximum work done is reversible compression here. Therefore, delta G is equal to minus Q reversible or work. Already we from isothermal reversible compression process, W equal to minus 2.303 into, okay, the answer is nRT for 1 mole of the gas, therefore 1 into R T. T is the temperature is constant, isothermal process, so T is constant, T, and log, here this is a log because the answer is given, therefore 2.303 it is into minus log, that is in this expression for isothermal compression. Therefore, this will be, if you look, go back, that is V1 by V2. V1 by V2. That is in terms of pressure it is given, or this will be V1, V1 equal to V2. According to Boyle's law. Therefore, V1 by V2 equal to V2 by V1. Therefore, you can write V2 by V1. Here, P2 is initial pressure. From initial pressure is P1. P1 equal to 1 atmosphere and P2 is 2 atmosphere. Final pressure. Therefore, 2 by 1. Therefore, the answer will be minus RT ln2, okay, RT ln2, and here actually delta G equal to minus reversible, therefore delta G equal to minus you substitute W in this, therefore plus RT ln2. Okay. So this is the answer. So we can calculate. Similarly, you can also calculate the entropy change. Entropy change is equal to nothing but, what is entropy change? Q reversible by T. Okay, Q according to second law of thermodynamics. Q reversible equal to actually W. This W equal to Q reversible. Okay, therefore minus RT ln2 divided by T. Okay, therefore here it will be T cancel, therefore RT. So in this process compression, therefore compression means there is a decrease in entropy. There is a decrease in entropy, therefore minus R ln2. Delta is negative, it is correct. There is a decrease. If it is expansion, then delta is positive. You can give the value in positive. Okay, now let us now go to the next second problem. When 1 mole of an ice is converted to water at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere, the work done in liter atmosphere is, okay. So ice, in this case, ice is converted to water. This is like enthalpy of fusion. This is enthalpy at enthalpy of fusion at this temperature 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. So this is like 1 atmospheric pressure work done. They are work done in the formula E external. If you go back to the lecture so that you will understand, I advise all of you to listen fully the lectures so that the fundamentals based on which the questions were asked. Okay, so V2 minus V1 against constant pressure. There are 4 conditions: isothermal, reversible expansion, isothermal, reversible compression, and there are 2 irreversible processes: free expansion and work done at constant pressure. This is constant pressure. V2 minus V1. Ice. Here ice is actually having more volume than water. For example, you fill water and keep it in freezer with the full water, the container will break, even iron or any, it will break because of expansion of water. When it becomes ice, it will expand. It will expand because of hydrogen bonding. It will expand. Therefore, this case, the density of water is given. 1 mole of water, what is the pressure? The external pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. That is given, right? Okay, 1 mole of water, ice is 18 gram. Okay, 1 mole equal to 18 gram of water or ice. Okay, the density, what is the density of water? Density of water in the liquid state is equal to 1 gram per cc, that is 1 gram per ml. Okay. Therefore, in liter, you need to convert into liter unit. Therefore, 1 gram by 10 power minus 3. Okay, 10 power minus 3 liter. Therefore, okay, 1 gram of liquid water equal to 10 power minus 3. Therefore, here, if you convert 1 gram of liquid water will have volume 10 power minus 3. Therefore, 18 gram equal to 18 into 10 power minus 3 liter. Therefore, 1 mole of ice, 1 mole of water is converted to 1 mole of liquid water. Therefore, okay, next, what is given is density of ice. Density of ice, okay, that is equal to 0.9. Similarly, 0.9 gram per 10 power 0.9 gram per ml. Therefore, 10 per liter, we need to convert into liter. Therefore, 0.9 0.9 gram, 0.9 gram, the volume will be, the volume of 0.9 gram of ice will be 10 power minus 3, therefore 18 gram of ice, that will be the 1 mole of ice, therefore 10 power minus 3 into 18 divided by 0.9. Okay. Therefore, it will be a 20 into 10 power minus 3 liter. Okay, this is the volume of 18 gram of this is the volume of therefore volume of liquid water. You substitute in this formula. V2 is actually converted. V2 is water. This is water, liquid water, and this is V1 is ice. Ice is converted. Therefore, this is initial state and this is final state. Therefore, W is equal to 1 into volume of water. 18 volume of 1 mole of water equal to 18 into 10 power minus 3 liter minus 20 into volume of 1 mole of ice. Volume of 1 mole of ice equal to 10 power minus 3. Okay. Therefore, it will be minus 1 into minus 20. 2 into 10 power minus 3. 1 atmosphere. Unit is 1 atmosphere here. Okay, always write unit. So liter will be equal to plus 2 into 10 power minus 3 atmosphere liter. Okay, they are asked in atmosphere liter unit. Okay, this is the work done. Here, the work actually ice is converted into ice is in the solid state and liquid state in the liquid state. So therefore, volume, there is a volume swing. The volume actually swings. There is a compression. Therefore, volume is done on the system. As we have given already the notation, W is negative means the work is done by the system. This is plus, therefore work is done on the system. Therefore plus. Okay. Thank you for watching.